welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a declined Venmo payment in 2025. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is check your balance. Ensure you have sufficient balance to your Venmo balance or linked bank account. Next, you have to verify the payment method you're using. Make sure that it is accurate and up to date in the payment method section of your Venmo settings. Next, you're going to do is ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using cellular data. Do not forget to update the Venmo app because the latest one can be found on the App Store. So if that does not work, after performing the following checks, you can attempt the payment again. If the issue persists, it could be due to the following reasons, in which case you might need to take additional steps. It can be due to the issue of bank or card issuer declined the payment. All you have to do is contact your bank or card issuer to inquire about the reason for the decline. They may have flagged the transaction as suspicious. Next thing you can do is to check, because exceeded payment limits also affects it. So Venmo has weekly and other transaction limits. Check your transaction history and ensure you are within this limit. Account unverified or information outdated. If your account is unverified or information outdated, it will also affect. So ensure your Venmo account is fully verified with accurate personal information. Venmo may also decline payment if they detect unusual activity on your account. Technical issues also affect. So although it is less common, there might be temporary glitches with the Venmo app. Try again later or contact Venmo support. If you have tried all the steps and your payment is still being declined, it is best to contact Venmo customer support directly for assistance. You can reach them by calling 1-855-812-4430 or through their contact form on the Venmo's website or app. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.